tell a story about robot. In a city, there lived a boy named Arun. He has a robot. The robot always follow the command of the family. One day, Arun's mother gave some works to Arun, like cleaning and arranging his room. But Arun did not do it. He made robot to do all his work. He also made robot to do his homework. So he became too lazy. His mother knows that every work is done by the robot. So she planned that she must give Arun food to the robot. She called both of them and gave Arun's food to the robot. Arun shouted that, "Ma, it is my food." Mother said, "All the work is done by the robot, so it must be hungry there as you did not do any work. So I gave your food to the robot." Arun understood his mistake to do his work by own more don't make your works by some small bird. The tail is green color. The tail is short. Its tail is cute. Telling one story. In my home, I have one hen and one chick. A chick was always waste the food. One day, chick was full hungry, but no food. After time, supper time. After some time, the hen was food. At that time, a chick was lesson. The daughter wastes the food. Moral of the story: don't waste the food.
I am here to do challenge on robotics class. My man showed a bird picture. I am going to say story on the bird. The bird has red color beak. It has yellow color feather and green color tail. And it went to the forest for searching food to young ones. So the bird also have a tail. Birds also need food to eat.
ஒரு காக்கா வந்து வடை தூக்கிட்டு வந்துச்சாம்மா. காக்கா வந்து மரத்து மேலே உட்காந்துச்சாம்மா. குளுநரி ஒன்று வந்துச்சாம்மா. காக்கா வடை கேட்டுச்சாம்மா. அப்போ பார்த்து பண்ணிச்சாம்மா, வடை கீழே வந்துச்சு.
My story is House and Your Home. My house is very beautiful. There are 5 rooms and puja room and one bathroom and one bedroom, one kitchen and one living room. 5 rooms. My family is nuclear family. There are father, mother, brother and myself. I love my family.
One small bird built its nest in beautiful house. One day, the bird's nest fell down. The bird was very sad. At the time, one boy who lived in that house, he came out and see bird's nest and take it and put the same place. The bird was very happy.